Pozdrav ljudi, dobrodošli u Porto Montenegro. Dobrodošli ljudi u Porto Montenegro, jedan veoma ogroman kompleks kod Tivta. Sa moje leve, a vaše desne strane možete vidjeti super jahte neke koje su vredne i po nekoliko milijardi evra. A ukoliko dođete ovamo bliže pa da vam pokažemo neke druge stvari. A te stvari su u stvari ona priča iz CONETovog klipa. CONETov klip koliko ste gledali, ono da delimo ljudima hranu, zapravo je reakcija na uličitovu priču da ljudima izbija hranu. A sada, veoma važna stvar koju moramo da vam kažemo jeste da ovo sve jedna velika suprotnost onog migranta i onog intervjua koji ćete uskoro imati prilike da vidite u potpunosti. A taj klip ću vam upravo pustiti sada, dok iz mene možete pogledati jedan najlepši hotel u Porto Montenegru, a to je Regent, a vi gledate klip uskoro. Ćao!
What I'm curious is about, you're all from Afghanistan, yes, right? Course, when did you come to Serbia?
About 1.5 months we are here in Serbia.
1.5 months?
Yeah.
Directly from Afghanistan?
No. First we came to Turkey. Okay. And after that we came towards Serbia.
Okay. And what do you think? Like, this video has gone viral?
Yes, of course. This kind of actions are usually happening here. Some of there are robbers. They are coming and just taking phones from somebody and then running away anywhere. I saw last day by myself right there a person took mobile from another person. He was running, but the other guy didn't try to catch him.
Yeah, okay.
Because he was not able to catch him.
I know.
He was so fast.
I'm sorry about that, but what I'm really curious about is you're not okay, obviously, with this kind of behavior. So this is not something.
No, it's not a good behavior. In fact, it is about. It's just if you are just what we can say, making yourself bad. It's not a good habit. People will call you bad. Even from one person, they will call your whole country guys that you all are same like this. So it's not a good habit to do robbery or anything like this as you show in this video.
Yeah, okay.
It's not a good idea.
Alright, and can you tell me, for the month and a half you've been in Serbia, you've been only in Belgrade?
Yes, of course, I'm in Belgrade and I just live in Branovac camp right there.
Yeah, okay. And what can you tell like about the Serbian people? How do you like them? How have you been treated so far?
Yes, they are treating us properly, but on the way when we were coming here, the way was really dangerous, in fact. So when we get here, we were just thinking that now we are safe. But when we were on the way was too difficult, and especially when we are going that side, they're also really disturbing. They're also too much. I mean that they didn't let us go there. We are walking about 3 to 4 days by walk, but when they catch us, they just within a day they just didn't think about us, that how much we struggle to come up to here, and they get us back to Serbia. So we all are trying to go towards Europe, and we are hopeful for them to do something for us to go towards Europe, because we all have too much problems in our home country. So I wish the United Nations or UNHCR to help us and take us from here towards Europe, because we all of us passengers who are coming right here in Serbia,
a picture of everybody else.
They all are having some problems. Even they have some problems due to Taliban's or terrorism activities. So all of them have problems in their home countries. No one is trying to let his home country, but when somebody has some problem in his home country, that's why he is leaving his home country and going towards Europe or other countries.
Of course. Okay, I know. I actually know the same feeling, because that's how I left Sarajevo in Bosnia in 1991, and that's when I had to go to Canada.
And you may know better from me about our home country, that what is the situation of our home country nowadays. Wow. Even there is too much terrorism, bomb blasts are just like we are gossiping right here. The bomb blast is just the same like this.
I know that.
No one cares about human's life, that how much expensive is a human life. Even we cannot just if we look toward our eyes, that how much expensive is this, and they are just taking the whole life of a body. So everyone have problems right there, and we want the United Nations to help us and take us from here to here, or make the ways upward easy for us.
Okay. We kind of realize the situation, and we're trying the best we can. That's why this video that I just showed you, that's why it hit us so hard, and we feel this kind of behavior doesn't have to be on the streets, at least not our city.
Yes,
even
it's
if,
a very bad habit. Even when on the last day I saw a Pakistani person with us, someone robbed his mobile phone. Even I had 10 euros in my pocket. I had nothing else. I just came from game. I just had the 10 euros with myself. When I saw him, he was crying. So everybody have hurt in his chest, and they have to think, they have mind that if I am here due to some problem, everybody is here due to some problem. They are having some problems in their home country. That Pakistani person told me that I can fight with him to take my mobile phone back from him. But he told me that I didn't try it because I have sisters in my home. I am just only person to take something for them or to let them get married. So I am the only person to lead my family. So when I heard him, I just cried for him. I had 10 euros, nothing else. I gave that to him, and right now I have nothing, but I had that, I gave that to him because when I saw his situation, he was crying. So it's not a good habit. Anybody who's watching this video, I request him to please don't do anything like this.
Alright, you guys heard the guy. So please, without violence, without these kind of videos, we don't have to watch this kind of bullshit in our YouTube videos. And it's a really, really hard story, and that's the exact reason why we're here right now. We don't want these kind of stories happening. We don't want that to be something that kids should watch, that kids should think is really good. Now, if I can ask, how old are you all are here? What's your average age?
We all are about, average age of all is just 20 years old, from 18 up to 20, each and every one.
Alright, so from 18 up to 20, these are young guys. These are probably everybody's...
Most of us are 18 to 20, and somebody's up, somebody's down, but most of us are 18 to 20.
Alright, so you heard the guy, like, they're all kids, they're all younger than me for, like, let's say from 5 to 8 to 10 years, and this is not something that should be distributed, these kind of hate and anger in these videos. So that's not what we want. This is what we want. We want a community where everything works. We want to show them that Serbia is a country where you can rely on help, where you can receive help, and where we can get you ready to go on. Now, this is something very, very important. Up to this, all of this video has been something that has been very funny, that has been very cool, that has been very helpful to the community. But this is, now we're talking about a serious subject here, because every single one of these individuals had to leave their homes and to go search for a better future somewhere else. Now that's what we are trying to show the world, that we can actually help, we can actually help people build a better future, and one day they could hopefully return to their homes. One day. Now that's the plan.
We all hope, inshallah, that after having good home side, then everybody wants to go his own home. Even the country is just like mother. Everyone loves their country, but due to some reasons, everybody is coming here. So we, each and everyone right here, want a bright future.
Alright, so obviously that's the whole point. Now I'm guessing most of you left schools here, just left everything.
Even I was I used about some years in Pakistan. I was teaching their English language, and
yeah, your English is very good.
I was teaching there as well, and I was matriculated. But when I came back to my home country asking for some jobs, so they just reminded me about some money, that present some money, then we will give you job. But we don't had that much money, because we were going for job due to have some money, and they were even asking from us to give us money to have a job. When I heard that, that's why I came they're here. And we all want to feed our families. So the video you have showed to me, that I want to tell to such people that please, I request you to don't such things, and we hope that you will have a good future if you are not doing. Without this, you can also live your life. So then what's the requirement, or why it's needed to do anything like this? It's not required. You try to go towards that way. We all are trying, even I'm trying since last month to go. Everyone, don't let struggle. Struggle, so you will have a good future. Without struggle, you cannot receive something. So that's all.
Alright, thank you very much for this story. Now, it means a lot to all of us here, all of the crew and everybody. And we want to present you... Alright, we want to present you, we'll come back in 5 minutes. We want to present you guys with something, and thank you for your time.
Okay,
Thank you a lot, man. I wish you all the best in your future, and wish all of you. You can translate to everybody here. In the name of the crew, in the name of all of us, we wish you all a bright future, and we realize the situation, and we're gonna try and help out as much as we can. We're gonna try and share this video as much as we can, so even the country or even somebody else who is in possibility to help you guys does that. And thank you very much once again for your time and everything for this video.
د تاسو ته ویل غواړي پوه شئ زه تاسو د رب نه ستاسو دا امید کوم چې خدای په خیر او په خوشحالۍ سره خپلو منزلونو ته ورسوه او الله دې تاسو ته ښه زندګي درکړي او زه تاسو نه دا امید کوم چې دا کم زیاتره خلک دلته دا غلط کارونه کوي چې دا خلک هم دا ویډیو ګوري او هغوی ته په کار نه ده چې داسې کار وکړي او بس الله هم خوشحاله چې راغلي او بس ښه وخت ولرئ د خدای په امان.
Thank you guys very much.
Thank you.
To je bila ona jako tužna priča, a mi smo dalje ovdje ispred porta i regenta da vam objasnimo samo neke stvari. Nije sve u ovome što vidite. Ima dosta u tome biti čovjek, pomagati srcem, a pre ili kasnije sve će doći na svoje. Sada, mi se nadamo da vam se ovaj klip veoma svidao. Ostavite jedan veliki like, u komentarima ispod napišite šta mislite, što o ovom kompleksu, što o ovoj priči, a mi se do tada vidimo u nekom narednom klipu. Ćao!